vlog. So today's vlog, this week's vlog, I'm so awkward. This week's vlog should be really good. I'm prepping for my first vintage market ever, I guess technically. I've always like thrown the events, so this one's gonna be nice. You guys will hear more about that soon. Getting my second vaccine, hanging out, getting my hair done, doing things. So I just ended the last vlog, but without makeup on. So now I've got a little bit of makeup on and still got my self-tanner goatee, but it's fine. But Rachel's just on her way over and we're gonna go walk around the streets, the young streets, see what's poppin'. People are living. We're out of lockdown. So the vlog should be a lot better and I can go thrifting. So expect like a lot of vlogs that incorporate thrifting too, but just thought I'd check in and say hey, because sometimes I don't talk enough, but other times I talk too much. So
It's a real store! Oh my gosh.
Furniture store.
It's our first store together in like
I know.
3 months at least.
Now we can both shop for furniture. How lovely. Ooh, he looks comfy. First time sitting on a sofa.
This looks like a cloud couch. It doesn't feel like it.
It's comfy.
Pretty comfy.
I feel like you have to break it in a little.
Yeah.
5,282. Fit in our window.
Oh, that'd be so nice.
Let's see. 'Tis 89. Currently panic shopping at the LCBO. Not a good call. Okay, so it's like a chill Sunday night, and then he asked me to help edit his video, and I realized, because I can't access the amount of subscribers he currently has without going into his analytics, blah, 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 blah. Sarah, my brain is all over the place. I had too much caffeine today. He's gonna hit 2 million subscribers, probably like now. So I'm trying to coordinate, and if I can pull this off, I am master party planner, having a couple of his friends in the backyard. If you're seeing this and you weren't invited, I'm sorry. It's not intentional, like literally just to try to pull this together. It's 5:40. The party store closes at 6, so I'm trying to just get some balloons. I got some champagne because the liquor store also closed at 6. I've had way too much coffee and not enough other stuff, so I'm really trying to just throw this together. So stay tuned. Should be a good time. I also want to look more cute than I do right now, so we're gonna see. And I want to get a cake. Oh my god, I'm coming back. I'm coming back for this. Balloons acquired. I hope they look good. I have no idea. Your vaccine? Okay, feeling good. Honestly, feeling good. That was my second shot of Pfizer. And here in Canada, you have to wait more than 2 weeks to get them. But Canada is ramping it up. So I have to shoot a campaign this morning for Instagram, which I'm really excited about. Then I'm going sofa shopping. So hopefully you guys will stay around. We're going to CB2 today. Ready to spend some money, get a sofa, and hopefully get it in before we move. So more on that really soon. Let's get into Loblaws and hope they have this product that I need. Even using. Okay, so I just got to a spot. Hoping this is gonna work out. I'm starving though. Feeling a little off, but I think it's also just because I'm exhausted and I haven't eaten anything. So we're gonna eat an egg bite. Hope that no one weird stares at me while I'm doing this because I am kind of in a random ass location, but go try these. If you like egg bites, you will 100% be into these guys. So I don't think that went horribly, but I realized we were actually in front of this really bougie furniture store. I think it's like a combination of furniture stores. So since they let me use their parking lot, I'm gonna go in because the theme of this video is furniture shopping. So don't think we will be purchasing anything here today, but we can hopefully get some inspiration. I will have all the details of this place listed so you guys can see it, but oh, she is grand looking. This looks like some LA bougie. Yeah, looks like a good time, so let's go in. Hopefully they let me in. Hopefully you don't need an appointment. Hopefully they don't judge me for taking pictures of eggs in their parking lot. I really look like a mess because my car destroyed me. And I'm in like the nicest furniture store ever, but can't prepare for all things. This is really cool. I love this. Oh my goodness, guys. This is the dream. I love this. This place just literally goes on and on. These look amazing. Gosh, oh my gosh. This is amazing. These seem so comfy. These remind me of Emeralda's living room situation. Really nice. Very into that. Kind of as like a headboard thing. Ooh, and this light is really cool too. Wow, this is stunning. It's like a corduroy cloud couch. Not even that bad. Can you believe we can like test sofas now? This is insane. This is a personal fave style. Love it. It's got like a vintagey look. Let's see if it's comfy. Whoa, that was actually, okay, the back is really not comfy. But the cushion part surprisingly is. You could always get like back cushions though, I feel like, so. This. This looks so comfy if you don't have like a chaise. And this looks amazing. Pretty comfy, not bad actually. Thought I was gonna go in to CB2 today and buy a couch with no distractions, but now this place popped up. And I'm gonna have to take Dana back here because everything is really comfortable and honestly, a little bit cheaper than CB2 as well. Well. I was being a little quiet and awkward in there just because it seemed like a bougie, really bougie place. I mean, there were some items that were really out of our price range, but others were honestly less than CB2, which kind of shocked me because it's got that bougie energy in there. Side note, my car smells like eggs. Not that I don't love the good smell of eggs, but wasn't what I was looking for. And my leg is like ruined, and I've got to get down to my CB2 appointment, and I've got to send in these pictures. So we are in a little bit of a rush, but it's all good. I'm glad I stopped here. The decision-making process on a sofa for our new home, in case I didn't mention that we're moving, is getting just harder and harder. Okay, can you see?
Yeah.
Like my whole leg. Like it's not, you wouldn't really want to sit like this on it. Because you kind of lie back. Like there's no, it feels awkward. Like my butt is sinking.
Right.
And then, sorry, you'd have to be like fully, like it's right to where my knees are and then my feet.
Right.
It is comfy, but yeah, it's just something to think about. Like, are people gonna be chilling in like the piazza? I think this is the bocce. Easy.
That's Dresden? Or which one? Which one is that?
I think it's the bocce. We saw it online. It's got like the boucle material. Remember, it had really bad reviews online, like comfort wise, but it's honestly not that bad. I think it's off. Remember, it was like 4 reviews.
Right.
Which one do I prefer? This one is just like more, it's weird because they're both two totally different vibes. Like this one's still really comfy. I just feel more like I could sit and watch a movie, or I could sit and have a conversation with friends, you know? Because I'm not like, the other one I'm laying back and I believe this is the Camden. It's really comfortable, but they don't have it in stock. It's kind of like a velvety material. I wish we had room for something like this, but we don't. So I'm on a mission to buy this light. Daniel likes it too. It's just expensive, but I think I can convince him because it's very Florida, our happy place. That was good to see. Honestly, I thought I'd go in and like have a set decision today. Prepared my credit card, but now I'm just like even more confused. I'm very happy stores are open, but the Piazza was what we were gonna go with. It's a little too slouchy. Like, I don't want to have people over and like everyone has to be laid back to be comfortable, and then I feel like that leads to spilled drinks, and I don't know, the material like wasn't the softest either. The Baccio or whatever was actually surprisingly not that bad, and I like the structure of it. So what I'm thinking is that we order that one because it's a lot less expensive. We have it for now because it's in stock, come at like right when we move in, and then maybe also custom order that sofa I saw earlier, but I want to take Daniel back to see it and then move that one into a different space. I just have to measure it out and see if it'll work in that different space, or even like our bedroom or my office. My office could be an option. Lots of decisions to be made. Make sure you guys stay tuned, subscribe, because this is just the start of all the home videos and things finally opening up here in Toronto. Thanks for watching. I gotta get home because I'm honestly like a little schwitzy, but it's all good. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Right.